this is your other entire living area space, which starts up. Have this whole kitchen area space to yourself. As you can see that after adding the bed as well, you have this big corner area space. So here's presenting to you Pavani Felicity by Pavani Infra. Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. I am Ikhlas and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of Pavani Felicity by Pavani Infra, which is located on the Nizampet Road, Hill Country PH1, Nizampet, Hyderabad. As you can see, this is the exact location of the project. So your marketing office is right here and that is your land parcel. Now let me quickly tell you what exactly is Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. Unlike any other current listing platform where if you do inquiry, your number is shared with multiple brokers creating chaos. But with Housey, it is directly done by the developer. So stop going here and there and book your dream home directly through Housey. Now we will be doing the sample flat tour for Pavani Felicity for 3 BHK and the configuration for that is 2514 square feet. Let's get the video started. So in the start, you of course, now moving forward with our entrance, so this is what your living area space is going to look like. As you can already see, this living area space is designed in a very unique and different manner. So first of course you have this whole area space on this corner where you can add your couch, and this huge couch can also come in the center, and then of course you have this other corner area space. If you can see, you can add a flower pot, you can design however you like, and again your TV can come on this corner. You have proper switches given to it, and you have your AC and your fan system, you can add that. You have your inbuilt light as well. Now moving forward with our second living area or our dining area space, so this is your other entire living area space which starts up from that corner up till this end. So you can add your dining table here, or even you can move it to a bit more center, and you would still have a lot of space area for adding a lot of couches on that corner. And if you notice over here again, you in this entrance side of your room and your wash basin also, you have a lot of space area. So if you want, you can accessorize this, you can design something, add to the wall. And then right opposite your dining area, you have this again small different corner space dedicated. So if you want, you can turn that like this into your washing basin area, or if you want, you can add a bookshelf there, or again change it. Now coming to your living corner area space, like I mentioned, this is also again very spacious, and you also have this corner space left still, so you can add your TV, table, or redesign it. And then right in front of this, you of course have your attached balcony area, which is very spacious, walkable. You have your proper tiling, if you can see, done inside of this. You have your drainage system there, which means you can add your flower pots. You have huge railing system done over here, and you have direct sunlight and the city's view access point from here. Now, right very close to your dining area space, you will find opposite to that your kitchen area space. So you have this small entrance over here, and this is your entire kitchen area space. So you have this whole kitchen area space to yourself. As you can see, the tiling for your kitchen also is done very beautifully and uniquely. You also have your wash basin on this side of the corner, and your normal window system comes here. You have proper electric switches on each corner. You also have this whole dedicated area space where your fridge, your oven, or your other electrical appliances can come. And yes, your kitchen comes with a utility balcony that also has the tiling, flooring, everything done perfectly. You can add your washing machine here. You have switches for light. You also have your drainage system, and you also have ventilation source. Now, if you notice on this corner of the house, this is a very different space area design. You can also add doors like this. You can turn this into your puja space corner. You have proper light switch inside, and it's very spacious, or if you want, you can turn that into something else as well. Now moving to our first bedroom. So this is what your first bedroom is going to look like. Again, designed very uniquely and differently. So you have that corner area space beside the bedding, and you again have this whole corner area space. And on this side as well, if you notice, you can add a lot of things like your wardrobe. If you want, you can add your TV or your study table up until this corner. And over here on this side, you will have your window system, where again over here you can add something else as well, because you have a lot of walkable space. And yes, this room also comes with your attached washroom. Now if you take a look at the attached washroom, again it is designed very beautifully. The tiling, flooring, everything inside the washroom looks unique. You have your proper shower system dedicated, which is again huge, with your glassware. You also have your drainage systems there. You have your exhaust fan and proper toiletry. The mirror also comes with lighting. If you want, you can add that. Now moving on with our second area bedroom space. So here is your second bedroom. As you can see, this also looks very spacious. You have that whole corner and this side of the bedding area. So over here, if you want, you can add your study table, or you can redesign it. You can add another set of drawer, wardrobe. Your window is right in front of it, so you have good ventilation source. And this side comes your again wardrobe system. If you want, you can add that, or you can even turn this whole area space into your mini closet. You will still have a lot of space inside the room. Then yes, this room comes with your private balcony area, which again has proper tiling done. If you can see, it is also again very spacious for you to walk, add couches, plants, and you have direct sunlight access point. And this room also comes with your attached washroom, which is a little more spacious to your first room that we saw. The toiletry, if you see, the shower system, if you see, again you have a huge space for your shower dedicated with glassware, and then on the other side you have your tiling, your mirror, everything placed perfectly. Now, before we enter into our master bedroom, let me quickly tell you everything that you need to know about Housey. So as soon as you go to Housey's website, you get all the information you need about the project, like location, and we give you actual location tours of the project. Not just that, but you get EMI, down payment, exclusive pricing details, pros and cons of the project, and a 360 virtual tour of the project on the website as well. If you want to come for a site visit, which is completely free, you can either click on the link which is mentioned in the description below, or you can go to Housey's official website. You can also download the e-brochure and the pricing sheets. So this is what your whole master bedroom looks like. If you can see, after adding the bed as well, you have this big corner area space for your master bedroom, which is enough space very close to like how your hall looks. And you have a lot of space on this side. You can add your couch. Even if you want, you can add another bedding system as well. You would still have a lot of space to walk, move around. You can add your drawer system. Now if you notice at this side, again in the room, you have your private balcony area space, which is also, by the way, again very spacious. It's very long. You also have your lighting system done. The tiling again is done properly, perfectly. You have whole railing system attached. If you look outside, you get to see the D-Mart, you get to see your other city-like places. On this side of the room, you have your other normal window system. And then here you have your walk-in closet system. If you notice, this is also very nicely done. You have proper space for your wardrobe, proper space to even add a small dressing table on this corner. You have light switches as well. And opposite to that, you will find your attached washroom. If you notice, the wash basin area space for the washroom is very long and huge. Also, you have your again same space dedicated for your shower system with glassware, toiletries on the different corner, and you have your huge exhaust fan system as well. So everyone, that was all that you needed to know about Pavani Felicity. Hope you liked the walkthrough. For more such amazing walkthroughs, do not forget to subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.